and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Timothy Shira swears in as pro-tem Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Forces expresses desire for Chief Minister from Khasi Hills. Lake in Jintru collapses, competition moved to RRTC Umran. And United Interest Groups decides to negotiate with MLAs of HSPTP. Another news in detail. MLA Timothy D. Shira, who won from Rezubel Para with NPP ticket, swore in as a pro-tem speaker to regulate the work and functions of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in the first meeting to be held in the coming days. Timothy Shira was sworn in by Phagu Chauhan, Governor of Meghalaya in Raj Bhavan on the 4th of March at 4 in the evening.
श्रीमान अपनी अनुभूति से आप कार्रवाई शुरू कीजिए।
Okay.
महोदय, क्या आप मेघालय के प्रोटेम स्पीकर को पद और गोपनीयता की शपथ दिलाने के लिए राजी हैं? श्री तिमोथी डी शिरा, प्रोटेम स्पीकर।
I, Timothy D. Shira, having been elected as a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by the law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Senior most 78.
A day after the two HSPTP MLAs fled their party to support NPP, the public isn't delighted with the action. However, the longing for Chief Minister of Meghalaya to hail from the Khasi Hills could be too late since the number of MLAs doesn't cross the margin. 5 years and 35 years prior, the same situation occurred which couldn't reach a conclusion. Similarly, the same event is happening today and it seems history is repeating itself. The desire to get a chief minister from the Khasi Hills will only be met if everyone in the state work together, leaving aside individual differences, communal differences and other differences altogether. NPP or any other political party to form the government should acknowledge that unity is the key to good governance. Only then can the desires of the people be met slowly and gradually.
Aku kajak penriu kadai kamar kabamaki kina banyak kai banyak pen haka kerteng dan haka spai haka rupa aku insya kun kajak penriu bakani kena wanja nak kapur sakapur larang yima ban kawa di kini armut lai sai nginyo i masa armut nak pilih flapet lai sisni nginyo i masa sangmut nak UDP lapet la kakoi kesni nginyo i masa PDP lapet Nihap ban yang ramba kun kikot jong ajai penriu ban wen ya kali harai di kamalawan hakajat penriu jongi Nihap ban wen ya kali harai di kami kecingman medang fi mata asni hakali kajaka ban ya dan lam kui ban tentau ya kajing persya kalau kajing ye jong kiki armat kinau mikmat di kamau sundrut bat ya ka motor raisan Kung gipata ng song-song, yisngawsi banyoi, baka puar, baka kenti, kabangina si siya banyo, yaw tau menteri ramba, nakajat bendri jongi, akong kaniga puar, kidon kita gicudas, kita syekla, kita biak pongrai, ya kajing kwa, baka kajing anggut, jong kajat bendri. Kung mangila kren mennya, nakilong kren nakmat. Kalai teligis nan, nila syayam, haki parlo kijongi, lapor rinung garo. San teligis nan kiblalet, nila aylan yu konra sangma, bolong to chief minister nejayo. Dia, ya kakendang wasyap, jong gihima Khasi. Pelong, kung kata kajakaya khalai, ya kapriu nyautrep. Persang wanwandra, ya kian. Kibelang kompong, ya kerkombat kendai wasyap, bat kumta ter-ter. Atong indang anak cuk, bokon rasangma, unong chief minister. Larang yang anak, kaumat, baki sang riulong kijongi, kihak banyak teli, bat ban penting kena. Ban penting kena bagi sang riulong kinya teli, upai pa jo kajat penriu, wah ban ni syahmat, nang ni syahmat ru. Larang yang menginyami sesurok, Ihap penyami sesurat, larga menghap benek sagiyin kisam, jom kini kiam menil, ihap penyami. Kami kadang kenti berkaya, yang kajat bendera nyautrap, bangin sensar, dan lagi, ya lagi, kau beri jom hantar po sekretariat.
Fishing competition in Jintru Lake, which was organized to be held on the 11th of March, has moved to RRTC Umran due to the collapse of the lake, which led to destruction of other lakes below it on the 28th of February. The shifted date is on the 11th of March in the new set destination. The prizes to be given to the winners still remained untouched.
Nakalian jong kayin kasem jong ni ba klaster sa kuni nila temu bangin long ya ka jinga kop pai dok ha apo jentu bodi ke jaka jong i ke jaka la jong akane ka khadui tere ni rakyat chakma andre ha ke jing sniu kamariang kapung kaba sya kli do la kum tuano na mar ba kecing tua jo kana kapung ko sya kli do we we ki pung ki ba sya try kila jabo bat kila thut ki do kha de hai nei benta ni wan menta ba tip chipi ki parlo ron ki jumi ki ba hasodong kajala ki jumi na do ki thai nong stoin sora pernutsla ki jaintia Shillong brokoi iskasil baru saya kita beri ki jungi baru rawan ba ya kane ka jinga ko phoi dokha ka bangin pelong apo ke jentru nila penkeriak no sya ka pungjong ka RRTC Umran yang pernah namar bangin kwa bangin pensange e kane ke jinga ko phoi dokha agate ke sni ni kwa ai bakania di chakman de hene bentang nila penkeriak no sya ka RRTC jaka kaba pung pelong kaba he kaba itenan de ha ketika seni bangin pelong bet bangin peniat be kana ka program jingi ante apo RRTC baru kandon ru kejing the hido south tarik kaba de la kasing sajan bangin pen he do ketika pung RRTC arton bangin kerpat ru digi perlu kawan lada ki badan por bangin kwa akhir ke penyawan kenang ban kejing the do pelong ru diversity dan nalor pengila depta ki poster sharum sheneng shaboro ki jaga ke bangin pelong be ka pung ke jungi apo jentru te pola kata ba kan kam step ke jing pentip shapi boro ni aino da kan news dan bagi ni news dan bagi ni khobor ke poi shapi bagi ke pa de pi perlo rawan boro ba pini smutu ba na ka jentru nilara sha ke pung RRTC Umran baru kau yang jeng pentip nak buat bang pentip syai piba tiket ni ada print di tiket lagi draw ni ada print buat ya ka lagi draw tiket ni lang di hak itu tiket ki jaka kadang debit apo jentru mereka baik ju ki tiket ngindi bet apo Umran ni pentip lepai pi baka ju ki tiket ngindi bet Umran kan syue per natang ke jaka dari nomor ngimla ban print yang arsin kecinglut kelong ke kampung ingin di lagi ju iki tiket ke bangila print hapo jentru ngindi be lagi tu iki tiket apo Umran RRTC dan kalian ketuni ni kontan ini di tip syapi bat ni kerpa de pi perlu rawan baro wanung sofer nomor ba kejing tua jong kepung ke bahalo imban seban penkerja no na kejaka centru siapo umran RTC de na kalian kejungi na kalian kaying kasem jungi ba klasen so kumi ni kwa berpetip cepi di pelok rawan baya kene kejaka nilara sia umran RTC boleh sebut.
On the 4th of March, the United Interest Groups decided to request the two HSPDP MLAs, Methodius Dekhar and Shakliar Warjri, to return back to the group of UDP, AITC, VPP, HSPDP and PDF in order to discuss on the formation of a new government governed by a regional party. Back to history. It is to be remembered that it was late Don Kupar Roy who offered the position of a chief minister to Conrad K. Sangma by exchanging places with his sister. He remained the chief minister since then, but this time he has resigned from office in order to form a new government with the support of BJP, HSPDP and Independent.
Ila Meghalaya banginya teli angin iba pun haki sang Meghalaya ki leaders te halor kan yang ila ikram na ba kandon ka program action ro kam tamba kandon ga jing lai kerpat iba ye masam ju tu biarun te lada kamdon kan nu reaction ila rai ba kandon ga jing ya song takna bat ki nong tabut kini ki konsensi apri akamat yang jong kini ki MLA juga poin sudah liang jong NPP te ngakwa ban percaya nero ni sutenat ba ka statement menangi i ba kami ka statement ba la IT ka leadership sa UDP bat kani ngai skam kan wanra ya ka jingba ya ka jai betul neutral nomor bagi MLA ke jing start ke jongki kinang hi banjir yung nu leader ban long nong elam jong kani kenhun bad la ngi yo ban thau sarkar unu no baki jit maki un salong chief minister de ha ka ju ka poru ngi hap ban kerpa di pai ba ban long jajai nomor beli ngim kwa ban don ka cikulmar ngim kwa ban don kanu ka jing ya per jimut bar hangiro ngilai peni ka jing teli da bungi wan lang ha ka ju ka kampung bangikwa ya jingha kababhatam ya kari baka japan ribu ngikwa ya sarkar kabakoi ngikwa ya sarkar kapatrikam ngikwa ya sarkar kabasutu ijingya paiba di nomor kata kada kini grambal kita don ni natrai kikwa ai bani ashkin tera kente daga jingra ki jungi kaba ngikwa ban ha ka kubur sega japan ribu lomba ngikwa ya jinga tali ngikwa ya jinga sutu jemut ngikwa ban peni ba hakani kasin kam tamba kena terang dik-dik ki pai ba ya ka ek babhatam ni ka jai lore ni yang lam hakaju
The National Vice President of NPP, Preston Tensong, the 4th of March, disapproved the people who had approached the relatives of Methodius Dekhar and Shakliar Warjri, who had merged with NPP to form a new government in the state. While speaking to the media persons, he affirmed that the government won't leave the matter without consideration, but it will look into it and the act will be captured under the law.
Well, friends, on behalf of the party, NPP, I would like to convey my sincere gratefulness and thankfulness to all the voters in the state of Meghalaya who once again has decided to vote in favor of my party, NPP party, and also to have faith and confidence once again under the leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma for this general election which has just concluded a few days back. And number two, I would like to also mention here with great concern about what has happened last night. We have seen it. There were few groups of people, which I should say miscreants, unknown miscreants, who trying to create law and order in the Shillong city and especially in the relatives' house of those elected representatives. One is from Mount Harashan and the other one is from Maushadon, which is very, very unfortunate. It seems these people trying to snatch away the constitutional right of the elected representative. So the message, therefore, is very clear. We will not allow such criminal activities to happen in the entire state of Meghalaya. Just because of one party or one individual MLA wanted to join to any political party for forming the government, I think this is against the constitution and against the right of the people of those concerned constituencies. So it is my appeal to all concerned, from now on, they have to stop this, and the government will take all out effort to make sure that the culprit be booked at the earliest possible.
Two burglars, Tengmanti Sangma, 29 years of age from Asiratura, and Robinson S. Marak, 29 years of age from Upper Balsrigitim, East Garo Hills, were captured by the police of William Nagar. When search was conducted, 7 LPG gas cylinders, 1 LG Smart TV and 25 pieces of duck manda was recovered from the culprits. When the police apprehended the robbers, they escaped from the police station, but with the help of the villagers, they were captured again, and they also confessed their crime. The two are under police custody with further investigation. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.